Yo, what's up? It has been a hot freaking minute since I have been present on this channel, and I sincerely apologize for that. You know, life got lifey, I had a couple knee surgeries, no biggie, but I am back. With that being said, I am also back with blonde hair now, super blonde since the last time you saw me. Also, I am back without any braces, and I feel like I've matured just a little tiny bit. Yeah, probably. Today, we are going to be rearranging my flip-flopping bedroom. I rearrange my room all the freaking time, and it's no surprise to anybody that I'm being crazy and acting upon the sudden urge to rearrange my room. Yeah, no surprise. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I have no idea how I'm going to rearrange my room. I'm going to think of that probably as I go. So this should be very interesting, and yeah. Room arrangement 2019, Lego. Here's my room before I rearranged it. It's really messy, really cluttered. It just doesn't seem as inviting as I would hope it to be. So the lighting in this video is just going to be atrocious. I'm accepting the fact that that's how it's going to be. What I'm going to do now is just kind of tidy up. Now since everything is clean, I am going to move all my plants out of my room because last time so I'm just gonna bring all of like my little potted plants out into my bathroom. That way they're out of the way and there is no chance for them to spill over and break. Now to begin the beautiful, beautiful art of rearranging. This is where everything goes downhill. Very fast and very sudden. All I wanted to do was simply move my Christmas tree. So I removed the skirt, threw it on my bed. Began moving the tree, no problem whatsoever. But then, look at the feet. Look at how many feet this tree has. You see, there's only one. Me, having my face in a tree, did not realize this, and then this happened. So I gently placed down the rest of the tree. Then I finally came to the realization that there were more feet and that I was missing feet, and so I spent a long time searching for feet.
That was rough!
Oh, it's only gonna get rougher, honey. Then I moved the tree into the corner that I actually wanted it in, and then I went to go put the rest of the tree onto the bottom half of the tree. And kaboom! And then in disbelief, we dropped the rest of the tree.
I'm having struggles with my tree!
You sure are, honey. Never worry, because I did get my tree up in the right place, and I love it there. And also, only a few ornaments broke, only got a little bit of glass in my arm. It's all good. There was just a lot of cleanup, and I learned a lesson that you do not carry a tree with ornaments on it. After that, my room was all rearranged. Let us cut to some B-roll. Alrighty, that is all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content if you want to see more content from me. Also, make sure you guys check out my other social media. There'll be links down below and they should be on the screen right now. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!